This video is going to walk you through how to use comments to give really rich feedback to students whilst you're grading. So when you click into grade, you'll see the grading tools are on the left-hand side here, and here is your comment library. In this instance, the comment library has already been imported in, so an instructor can import in the comment library and share that with the grading team. You can create comments on the fly by using the comment icon. Comments are LaTeX friendly, so mathematical and chemical equations can be included. You can add comments with points, and as you're adding comments with points, that will automatically update on the right-hand side in the grading bar here. Clicking this button will drop you on the next ungraded question 1. Comments can include JPEGs. We can also include comments with negative points, and what you'll notice is that when you include a comment with a negative point, it takes away from the total. When you're adding positive points, when you add a positive point first, it will add up from 0. It's also Markdown friendly, so you can include links to other resources here. So here we've included a link to a video, a link to another website, and another JPEG here. And we can come across and we can also manually enter in a score for this booklet here. One other type of comment you can leave is a GIF. And if you would like any help with formatting the comments, we do have some help documentation online that walks you through how to add comments and how to format comments.